Hey everybody, welcome back. Collector's Place here, doing another unboxing video of something I just got in. Really cool piece. So this is actually the WandaVision exclusive from GameStop jewelry kit. I know it's called the jewelry kit, but it has Wanda or Scarlet Witch's head wrap into it. It's got a necklace in there, and then I believe there's a couple rings. So this is actually 5,400 piece item set. Not sure how many are still left on GameStop's website if you wanted this, but figured I'd do an unboxing to kind of show you guys what this is actually like, and we'll get right into it. I've already cut the bottom open so that way I can just open this thing up. Gave you guys a sneak peek of it online just so you could kind of view it real quick on our Instagram page, but here's the actual overall first viewing of this item. So first details of it. Box is actually really cool. A lot smaller than I thought the box was going to be in general. I was kind of assuming this would be a bigger piece, but it's kind of more just like an overall square box. I mean, really, you can see that this thing is about the size of my hand, a little bit bigger, but a lot of the other jewelry box sets that they've had have been more along the lines of like double the size of this in length maybe. So here we go. We're gonna open this for the first time, okay? All right. So what I first noticed is the WandaVision background piece in the TV. So I think that that's a really cool thing, a really unique idea that they did. This guy is just a foam little insert that looks like it's kind of just over top of everything to protect it. So we're gonna take this off for right this second. Then we got a little plastic piece here, and look at that. This is actually the entire set. And sorry if you hear any noise in the background. My dog is being a goofball right now and rolling around back here. So anybody with the dog probably knows what I'm referring to. But yeah, check this thing out. This is really cool piece all around. It's got the little certificate of authenticity here. So I'll get that a little bit closer to the camera so you guys can see that. But we're box 91 out of 5,400. This is really cool. Comes with this little piece inside here, and then we got the tiara. That's what I was looking for. That's the word I was looking to call. Instead of a head wrap, a tiara. Looks like, there we go. That's how that ring is supposed to sit, or that necklace is supposed to sit there. But this is the physical piece itself. Not a lot to this, to be honest. I don't know if I'm going to take this physically out just yet. See if there's anything underneath of this box. Nope, nothing underneath of it. Here we go. There's the physical set itself. Behind it, what it looks like. So a couple foam inserts. Obviously the necklace is wrapped around there, and then you got the jewelry piece inside. The head wrap. Yeah, this is actually a really cool all the way around. I really like it. Probably gonna prop it up like this and try to display it this way maybe. Not really sure just yet how I'm gonna do this if I want to, but I'm gonna take these guys off. Okay, those just slide off there. Kind of more protector pieces, looks like. It's okay, dog. You're good. Sorry, my dog's making noises. That was what that weird yawn yell type noise was. My fault. But this guy, this is actually metal. So this is a really sturdy piece on top of here. The rings, not really sure if these are metal or not. They're a little bit more, they look like they could have been plastic. The necklace is definitely more of a higher grade than what the rings are, it feels like, but the rings are still shiny and nice. But this is definitely the focal piece of this whole set, honestly. The tiara is really cool. I think that this is going to be a big deal as far as going forward in the MCU. You're going to see Scarlet Witch a lot more. Yeah, I actually really like this piece. I'm excited to have it added to the collection. And that's pretty much all I got for you guys on this unboxing video. If you guys have any questions or you want to know more about this, feel free to ask, feel free to put in the comments, and if you could, like, subscribe, do whatever you got to do. Follow us on Instagram at The Collector's Place. We got a lot more cool things on there, a lot of pictures on that. And I know we did a couple other unboxings here. So we did like the Pink Ranger helmet unboxing, a Boba Fett helmet unboxing. I'm actually going to do a Deadpool Walmart exclusive statue unboxing, Captain America shield from the Falcon and Winter Soldier, and just a bunch of other stuff I'm gonna actually try to unbox here sometime very soon. So we'll get some more videos up here, but I just wanted to get this thing open so everybody can see it. One final look at it. There is the piece. And you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for tuning in. One Division. Next time.